So, if I'm going to start doing videos, I guess I better give you a little look around. So, this is my workshop. As you can see, the weather's not really sure what it's doing today. My first video is going to be about putting my beehive together. I've recently done a bee course and I've just got all the bits that I need. So we've got top, bottom, and then brood box, supers, queen excluder, king board I think, and then this is all the woodwork for the frames that you put your foundation in for brood frames, foundation, super foundation, smoker and blowtorch to sterilise, because you've got to burn lightly everything to get any infection from previous bees off it. So I'm going to crack on and I will show you the results afterwards. Thanks.